Okay, in this video I'm going to test whether this little screen thing we put on top of an air conditioner, is it going to restrict airflow? Now this has been an issue that I've thought about here for quite a while. I'd like a lot of airflow, as much as you can get, across the condenser in these air conditioners, because that gives you a lower head pressure, a lower subcooled temperature. I know some of these things the layman may not totally understand. However, we're looking for the lowest pressure and the lowest temperature we can get. Now, with one of these on, like this one is this going to increase the load on the air conditioner to where it does not make sense to do it? So let's look at a few things. Now I'm showing right here, that is subcooled temperature. That's the temperature of the liquid going back into the home. It's important for HVAC techs to know this, because it tells you things about how the air conditioner efficiency is going. Now here we have head pressure right there, 367, and right below it, that 101.3 is the ambient temperature right beside the condenser. One other thing we're going to look at is we have 11.10 for the most part amp draw of the compressor. Does this thing restrict airflow, or does it not make any difference? Now here we have that screen removed. Now the reason the screen's put on there, a lot of people say, you know, leaves will fall in it and stuff like that. I don't really think that's a big issue, but you know, some people want to do it simply because they can make their air conditioner I don't know, better or something. But does it make any difference to the efficiency of the air conditioner? Now let's look at what's happened. Now head pressure is a good indication of exactly what's happening in the machine. The head pressure goes up when the air conditioner is working harder, if it's not moving as much air as it should have. Now, one of the things I want to note here, there's a lot of things that change just due to air moving around, a little bit of wind. That stuff does make quite a bit of difference. Okay, look right below the 363, we've got 102.9, that's almost 103. No, now it is 103. So, let's look over here, and we have 109.2, 109.0. Okay, that is the liquid line temperature. Higher liquid line temperature equals higher load. Okay, amperage draw. Amperage draw is the amount of power that the compressor is drawing, and we are 11.05 or 4 or 3 or whatever. Yeah, it's bouncing around a little bit. So, does this thing really help? Now, I'm not saying anything about leaves and stuff going down in the air conditioner. This unit here does not have any trees around it, so there probably wouldn't be anything anyway. And if you want to keep leaves out of it, I guess you could do that. But let's look at what the numbers are and what you're paying for doing that. Okay, did this make any difference? Well, let's look at the numbers. Subcool numbers. That's an important number. 109.7 with the screen on, 108.8 with the screen off. Pretty marginal difference. Head pressure. 367.4 to 363.5. Essentially 4 pounds. Amp draw of the compressor. 11.11, 11.01. Okay. I bought this thing thinking, well, this is probably going to be a turkey because it's going to reduce airflow and it's going to restrict the head pressure. The head pressure is going to go higher and so on like that. It didn't really make much difference. You know, it's a little bit. The thing was like $18 or something. I bought it off of Amazon. I didn't get the thing for free or anything. I just wondered if it made a difference. And, you know, if you want to put it on there, whoopee, go for it. If you want to put those things that come completely around the air conditioner on the inlet side and the top, don't do that. No. That's gonna make a difference. But, you know, air conditioners have been sold for many years underneath trees that leaves come down, and some of them, the leaves and the seeds and stuff get in there. There's a bottom part of that accepts that stuff, and you know, you have to have a lot of leaves in there to really make much difference. And okay, would I put it on? No, don't be ridiculous. It really makes no difference. And for me, there was no trees around anyway, so it wouldn't make any difference. If you want to make sure your air conditioner is happy, clean, and wonderful and all that sort of stuff, go for it. Put the silly thing on. It's not going to make a heck of a lot of difference. So that's pretty much what I found. Do it if you want. It's not going to make a whole lot of difference. Increases the or decreases the efficiency a little bit, but it's not enough to really make any difference. So that's my thoughts on this one. That's it.